Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. So the description of this primer online, it says that it's infused with exclusive comfort matte technology. This primed and peachy formula delivers a mattifying, soft focused finish with lightweight, comfortable wear. Features that it lists with this item is it says that it's a cooling mattifying primer that blurs, smooths, and brightens the complexion, and then it has suggested usage, which is to apply a small amount of primer to forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, then blend product using your fingertips or a brush. The peach color becomes invisible once fully blended. This is my all-time favorite primer. I think that there is a huge noticeable difference when I use this versus when I don't. When I use it before I put foundation on, I notice a huge difference with how long my makeup lasts throughout the day. It lasts so much longer. My makeup doesn't fade, it doesn't smudge or anything like that. I will say that it said online to apply it to forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. I put it on just like a moisturizer. I apply it to my hands, I rub my hands, and then I apply it all over to my entire face. I've never used it the way it said to do it online, so I don't know, I just feel like doing it that way. Like, primers are supposed to even out your skin, fill your pores, so that way you have like a nice blank canvas to apply your foundation. And I feel like if I don't do that, like if I only apply it to forehead, chin, nose, and cheeks, like, I mean, I guess maybe that does qualify as like your whole face, because then you blend it in. So like you put a little bit on your forehead and then blend it in all over your forehead. Okay, so maybe I'm like read into that wrong, and now that I'm saying it out loud I'm realizing that. But I'm just saying I don't do that anyways. I don't just apply it and then rub it, blend it in. I just put it on like a moisturizer, and I think that does the job and less time consuming than the way that they suggest you do it. I mean, it's not to say that it would be super time consuming to do it that way anyway, but just know that, especially in the mornings, especially if you're like in a rush, it's still going to save you like a few precious seconds to just put on like moisturizer versus the way that they suggested that you apply it. So anyways, I really love this primer. I think it just does wonders for my makeup. I only use it when I am doing a full face of makeup, so if I'm not, I don't use this because there's just no point to it, because it's meant to be a primer for foundation. At least that's what I believe. But alright, so let me go ahead and move this back and zoom out so that I can show you the different stuff on it. So it is a 1.3 ounce tube, so it is pretty small but not too small. It's easy to travel with this, and it's small enough that it'll be fine to like take it on an airport or take it in to fly with it. It'll get through TSA with no problem. I think it's a really cute little bottle. I like the gold. Just makes it a little bit fancier. And this product is made in Italy. So I'll go ahead and open this up to show you. I was just twisting it, and I don't know why I was just doing that. You just pull it open, and then it's like a little pump there. So, which is unusual. You would think that it's a squeeze thing, but it's not, which is really cool. So I'll just pump a little bit so that you can see the color. There you go. It is a peachy color, but I'll show you on my hand. Like, it says that once you apply it, the color fades, and that is true. That does happen. So it's like already fading. It's pretty thick, so just know that it is really thick, and the color is gone. There's no color. So yeah, so there you go. There's that. And it doesn't have much of a smell to it. It's pretty odorless, which is really nice. I like odorless makeup products just because then I know that it's not gonna like mix in with my any other, like my moisturizer or any other perfumes or lotions that I put on. So yeah, I highly recommend the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching.